Alright, today we're doing a fitment on a BMW. This is a M240i. This is a 2023. And it's going to go center. And even though this one has the camera, if it didn't have the camera, this is where it would go, center, right in the middle there. Okay.
Alright, so now we're going to remove the two center screws, one left and right of center, and like I said, this one, even though it has adaptive, we're going to do them out just like it didn't have. And we're going to remove these two screws using the 10mm socket. Alright, then we're going to take, I'll show it underneath there. Alright, we're going to take our base plate, we're going to stick the 4.8 by 25 through the base plate, 5/16 spacer on top, start the screw in, and we're going to do the same on the other side. Then using the 8mm socket, we're going to tighten it up. These are going into a metal J clip, so you can tighten them up pretty good. Don't be afraid to snug them up. You can see that's pretty solid. Then we're going to take our front plate, and if you notice, the rods have kind of a bend in them. That's to compensate for the rubber air dam, and you're just going to pull the pull pin and lock it into place. We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then you just repeat for the other three screws. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. There we go, last one. Again, these don't have to be super tight because the nylon lock ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.